In this video, we are going to create an entire animated trailer using one single AI tool for absolutely free of cost. And if you stick till the end, I will also share with you a technique in After Effects with which you can upscale your AI generated videos from 720p to 4K or even 8K. And we will also learn some tweaks which you can do to make your overall AI generated animation look even better to get better results on social media platforms like in YouTube or on Instagram. Okay, now let's check out what exactly we are going to create.
I never imagined I'd be sailing these waters without Captain Flint. When he was taken from us, it felt like our spirit was lost. But his last words ignited a fire in me. The journal hidden away holds secrets that could change everything for us pirates. It's not just about breaking the code. It's about redefining what it means to be a pirate. Jax and I have faced storms, rival crews, and even monsters of the deep. Each challenge brings us closer to Flint's legacy. As we uncover the truth, I realize it's not just power we seek, but unity. Together, we can forge a new path for all pirates. We sail not just for treasure, but for a future where we stand strong together.
The AI tool that we will be using in this video is called LTX Studio, and we will be using the free version of this tool. So we are going to do the entire scripting, then storyboard, then generating the images, and then animating the videos, and after that even narration like the voiceover, then SFX, and then merging all the clips together. We are going to do all of this inside this single AI tool. And that being said, without any further delay, let's dive right into LTX Studio and let's get started with our animation process. Okay, so we are on the home screen of LTX Studio and there are three ways to get started. We will start with writing a prompt. So here you have to just enter a film idea on which you want to create a trailer or a film. Then click on next. Now based on that film idea, the AI tool has generated a story and also a cast. So these are the main characters. And if you want to add a character, you can add it from here by entering the details of the character. Also, you can rewrite the story by clicking on rewrite. And on the left side, you have few more settings like aspect ratio, then the video style. From here, you can select a lot of options that are available here in LTX Studio to select a video style. We also have anime style. Let's select the anime style. Then also you can add a reference style. For that you have to drag and drop an image over here and also a cinematic inspiration. So let's click on start. Okay, now our storyboard of the story has been created. And there are two different views where you can edit the shots and the scenes. One is the storyboard mode and another one is shot mode where you can get more options for an individual shot. And suppose you don't like any particular scene, you can again regenerate it by clicking on this retry button. In the storyboard mode, for individual shots, you can change the shot by changing the prompt. So there is a basic rule that you need to follow while generating an image or an animation with a prompt. Number one is camera shot, then describe the subject, then the action that the subject is doing, then describe the location, and then finally the video style or the visual style. Now here in LTX Studio, if I select this shot and let's get to the shot editor. Here with @ and referring to the character, the subject has properly been described and now the action is described over here. So for the camera type, we have an option for the LTX Studio. So from here you can change the camera type, but I will keep it as it was before. Then you can even change the location, the lighting and the weather and even the visual style. Now below this panel, we have a motion panel where we control the motion of the frame while we are generating a video out of this image. So the first one is the motion preset. I generally keep either neutral or scene motion because if I keep it extreme motion, there is more chance the subject is going to get deformated. I mean generally it can get some glitchy movement. So for that reason, I would suggest you to keep it either neutral motion or scene motion and just decrease the motion scale, and I'm going to generate a 3-second video. Now you can generate a video from here, or you can get back to the storyboard mode and just click on generate. Okay, so the generated video is looking good. So for the rest of the shots, I'm again going to get inside the shot editor and decrease the motion scale and change the motion preset and repeat the process for all the rest of the shots. Okay, now all the shot settings have been changed and I have also regenerated few shots to look it better. Now the next step is to generate videos of all these individual shots. You can either click on generate for individual shots or you can click on preview. Here you get the option to generate all. So I will click on generate 25 videos. Okay, now the videos have been generated for each and every shots and the animation is looking pretty nice actually. Okay, I think this one has some issue, so let's try to fix it. Yeah, now this shot is looking better. Now let's get back to storyboard view again and let's recheck the shots if everything is looking good. Okay, so I have regenerated few scenes over here and I'm happy with all the scenes. So now I will again click on preview and what it will do is it will stitch all your clips together with the voiceover and with the background sound effects. So if I close it over here in the soundtrack, here this AI tool has already selected a background soundtrack, and if you want to use a specific music, then you can drag and drop it over here, and from this voiceover section you can even change the voiceover. Okay, now our animated trailer is ready. So if you click on share, you will get an option to download the video file. Just download it. Okay, now we will import this video clip in After Effects. So currently this is in 720p and we will upscale it to up to 4K, and then we will do some color correction and add some effects so that the overall film looks even better. So let's get back to After Effects now. Okay, now I will just drag and drop the video clip into After Effects project panel, and now let's create a new composition with a resolution of 4K and let's bring down the frame rate to about 25 fps. Now I will just drag and drop this video clip into this composition. Now go to the effects and presets panel and type in upscale and we will apply this effect. After that, you can either click on fit to comp width or fit to comp height. It's going to adjust your entire video clip and upscale it to 4K. Okay, now again let's pre-comp this video clip. Now we are creating an anime style trailer. So most of the animes are below 24 fps frame rate. So let's bring down the frame rate as well. For that we can apply another effect called posterize time, and we will just bring down the frame rate to about 12 fps. Now after that, we can also do some color correction. Now what we will do is apply lumetric color. Then under the basic correction, let's increase the temperature to about 4. So I want it to be on the warmer side, and also let's increase the tint, give like 2, and let's bring down the black to about -12. Under creative, let's increase the vibrance to about 15. And finally under curves, I will just give a small S curve to overall increase the contrast a bit from dark part of the pixels of the film to the brighter side, and also slightly move this end portion up a little bit to give a little matte finish. And one more thing, finally I would like to add some noise. So let's apply add grain. Then change this from preview to final output, and then under animation, I would like to decrease it to 0.4. And our final output is ready. And that is the end of this video. So do let me know in the comment section which AI tool you want me to use next. So that is it. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.